Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mia, and today we're diving deep into a topic many of us are curious about, including myself. Now, the question I want to answer today is this: how to make a cheap wig look real? So, many of us might be in a situation where we're looking for an affordable wig option, whether it's due to financial constraints, a one-time event, or just wanting to experiment with different looks without making a significant investment. However, there's a common concern that cheap wigs may compromise on quality, leading to an unnatural appearance. But here's the thing: not all of us can afford salon-quality wigs, but guess what? You can make a cheap wig look expensive with just a few tricks, too. Today, I'll show you wig secrets every cross-dresser should know. So let's get started. Alright, we're gonna kick things off by starting with the right foundation. If you're working with a tight budget, don't automatically assume that all inexpensive wigs are going to be of poor quality. In fact, with a bit of research and knowledge, you can find a wig that not only looks fantastic, but also fits well. And trust me, a good fit is half the battle. Even a cheap wig can look realistic if you pick wisely. When selecting a wig, pay attention to these key features. Firstly, lace fronts. They're fantastic for giving a natural look at the hairline. Secondly, darker roots. This detail is crucial for a realistic appearance. Thirdly, natural colors. Avoid overly bright or saturated shades as they can give away that you're wearing a wig. Your best bet is brown or black. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll be able to narrow down your options to wigs that have a higher chance of looking natural. Remember, choosing a high-quality base wig is essential for a successful transformation. With the right foundation, you're setting the stage for a great outcome. So take your time, do your research, and invest in a wig that checks all the boxes. After all, you want something that looks good and feels comfortable. Now, let's move on to step 2, which is all about trimming the lace and hairline. After you've got your perfect wig, it's time to customize it a bit. Most store-bought wigs come with extra lace at the front. And while it's great to have the extra material, it can easily be seen from the outside, giving away that you're wearing a wig. To avoid this, you need to trim the lace carefully. But don't worry, you don't need to be a professional. I'll just follow these simple steps and you'll be good to go. First, hold the wig on your head and mark the excess lace with a wig marker. Then, using sharp, small scissors, cut off the excess lace, making sure to cut no more than ½ centimeter at a time. Repeat this until the lace matches your natural hairline. Next, it's time to pluck a few strands from the inside of the wig near the hairline. To make it look more natural, use the tip of the scissors to pull out a few hair strands. Again, just a few is all you need. This will help blend the wig with your natural hair, making it look like it's just another part of you. Alright, now let's quickly recap what we've covered so far. First, you chose a smart wig. Second, you trimmed the lace and hairline to perfection. I know you're doing great. But don't stop now. Moving on to step 3, adjust the shine. One of the biggest giveaways when it comes to cheap wigs is that they often have a shiny appearance that doesn't quite match your natural hair. But fear not, there's an easy trick to fix this. Cheap wigs tend to have a shiny appearance because of the materials used in their construction. They can look like plastic rather than human hair. Fortunately, there's a quick and simple solution to make them look more natural. You can eliminate that shine and make your wig look like $1,000,000 by using a little bit of dry shampoo or baby powder. It's incredible how effective this trick is. And the best part is that it's super simple to do. All you need to do is hold the wig at arm's length and spray it with the dry shampoo. Avoid the roots near the hairline, though, as it can leave a white residue there. Give it a good shake to distribute the dry shampoo evenly, and you're done, voila! Let's see the difference. This trick is a game changer when it comes to transforming the look of your wig. Voila! Moving on to step 4, which is heat styling. If your wig is heat-friendly, which means you can use hot plates on it, you can further customize its look by straightening or curling it lightly. Styling your wig adds texture and breaks up the uniformity, making it appear more like your natural hair. For a more natural look, avoid tight curls and opt for loose waves instead. Tight curls can draw unwanted attention to your wig. And remember, you're going for a natural, undetectable look. So keep it subtle. Now, please note that heat styling should be done with caution and on wigs made from synthetic fibers that can withstand heat. Always test a small section first to check for heat resistance. Moving on to step 5, parting tricks. Here's an excellent tip to make your wig look even more natural. Experiment with different parting positions. If your wig has a pre-existing part, try changing it up a bit. A slight variation from your usual part can make all the difference. Take it a step further. Pluck the part a little to widen it. You can also add concealer or powder that matches your scalp tone for a realistic look. This simple trick can completely transform the appearance of your wig, making it blend seamlessly with your natural hair. Now, let's move on to step 6, wig cap and fit. Now, whether you're rocking a full wig or a partial one, a wig cap is a must-have accessory to complete the look. A wig cap helps keep your natural hair flat and your wig snugly in place. It's like a secret weapon for creating a smooth and undetectable look. The wig cap also helps absorb any excess oil or product buildup on your scalp, keeping your wig fresh and clean. Plus, it protects your natural hair from friction and damage caused by the wig. And let's face it, nobody wants frizzy hair under their wig. Now, when it comes to fitting your wig, it's important to adjust the straps to hug your head without slipping. A secure fit is crucial to prevent the wig from sliding around or moving out of place. Moving on to the final step, blend with makeup. The secret to a seamless look is blending the hairline with foundation or powder that matches your scalp tone. This simple trick hides the edge of the wig, making it appear like your hair is growing right through it. It's incredible how this small detail can make such a huge difference. Don't forget to blend the hairline as well. Use a soft brush to remove any excess powder and make sure the transition is smooth and natural. Now, another important aspect to consider is your brows. They frame your face and play a vital role in achieving a polished look. So don't neglect them. Fill them in with a brow, pencil or powder to give them a fuller appearance. This will enhance your overall transformation, making it appear more natural and cohesive. Moods. On to our last bonus tip. Accessorize smart. Headbands, hats, or cute clips can work wonders when it comes to hiding any wig imperfections. They're like little secret weapons that can make your wig look even more fabulous. A well-placed accessory can make all the difference in achieving a polished and stylish look. Last, but not least, maintenance is key. With a little care and attention, your wig will last longer and look better. Start by brushing your wig gently to remove any tangles. Be gentle. You don't want to damage the fibers. Wash your wig occasionally with wig shampoo and conditioner. And when you're not wearing it, store your wig on a stand to keep its shape. So there you have it. From choosing the right wig to accessorizing like a pro, you're now equipped with the knowledge to rock a wig with confidence. Remember, it's all about embracing your unique style and expressing yourself. So have fun with it. Try out different looks and don't be afraid to experiment. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, show us some love by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for joining me on this journey to wig perfection. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and always remember, you can rock a wig like nobody's business.